If you did not already know, Peter Watson confirmed the idea of the confirmation bias by performing an experiment where he asked participants a rule about number triplets. He actually told the participants that a 2, 4, 6 sequence fits the rule about number triplets. But when he asked the participant, what is the rule about number triplets, they only tested out examples that matched the 2, 4, 6 sequence. But the actual rule was any 3 ascending numbers. The participants confirmed the 2, 4, 6 theory because they only tested out sequences that work, such as coming up with even numbers that increase by 2. The participants fell to the confirmation bias as they only looked for information that confirmed their past belief. The confirmation bias can also take a very negative toll on a relationship. For example, let's say we have a couple named Bill and Frank. Frank came home from work one day in a terrible mood because of a fight he had with his coworker. Bill went to go ask Frank how his day was, but Frank ended up yelling at Bill to leave me alone and slammed the door on Bill's face. Bill says to himself, "Wow, Frank is really grumpy after work." The next day, Frank has a better day at work and comes home and greets Bill by saying, "How was your day?" Bill makes the remark, "Probably better than yours," which caused Frank to angrily walk away from Bill. Bill says to himself again, "Wow, Frank is really grumpy after work." Bill is falling to the confirmation bias as he expected Frank to come home grumpy after work and made a snarky remark that actually caused Frank to react negatively. But instead of attributing Frank's storming away to the remark he made, Bill attributed Frank's storming away to Frank being grumpy after work, confirming his past belief. Even though there was new information that suggested that Frank was not grumpy by asking Bill how his day was, Bill overlooked that new information and focused only on Frank storming away to confirm his past belief.